This is an important question. It's told in the problem a student is allowed to select at most n books, which means maximum. At most means maximum he can select how many books? N books from a lot of 2n plus 1 books are there. From there the student can select n books. Okay, so how to select? First the student will select no book at all, or the student will select one book from 2n plus 1 books. 2n plus 1 C2 like this, plus so on up to plus 2n plus 1 Cn, correct or not? Plus 2n plus 1 Cn. Okay, the total number of ways in which this can be done is equal to 64, it seems. The total number of ways in which this can be done is 64. Now the question is asking you to calculate what is the value of n. Now look here, 2n plus 1 C0, we know one standard theorem, right? nc0 plus nc1 plus nc2 plus so on up to plus ncn, that is equal to 2 to the power n, correct? We want to reach to 2n plus 1, but we have reached only n. So which means, can you tell me how many terms are there here? Only half the terms are there of the required series like this, correct or not? Half times 2 to the power n plus 1. 2 to the power 2n plus 1, that is equal to 64. Easy, right? To understand, 2n plus 1 C1, 2n plus 1 C2. Again, this should have continued, right? 2n plus 1 Cn, then 2n plus 1 Cn plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3. Like this, it should have continued up to 2n plus 1 C, 2n plus 1. So, half the terms are there. So, what is the answer that we get? Half times 2 to the power 2n into 2, that is equal to 64. So 2 to the power 2n, 2 and 2 will get cancelled, that is equal to 64. 2 to the power 2n, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 16, 32, 64, 2 power 6. So base same, so exponent should be equal. So what is the value of n is equal to 3 will be the answer to the question.